I've never wanted to do anything else in life than what I do. I love working with my hands. I've been doing a lot of projects around the house and with my kids. We are in our little bubble. I mean, Kate lives 5 minutes from me, TJ about 15 minutes. So because of this pandemic, you couldn't go anywhere. You know, everything was shut down. And so did a few social things. Been getting a lot of comments on my hair. It's been blowing in the wind. I'm really enjoying my COVID cut. So I thought we would have a little bit of fun with my locks. What's TikTok, Tic Tac, or whatever it is, you know, and then it's what's Instagram? I gotta do it. Kate goes, we'll be fine, Dad. Let's just do it. It's been fun. I like to do some funny stuff, some relaxing stuff, but also some quick tips and educational stuff too. Right underneath the belt clip, if you look, there's a number right there, 2.5 inches. That number represents the face from here to here, the width of that tape measure. So we did a few tape measure tricks. We got a lot of hits on those. Some of them I got like 4 or 5 million likes on it. It's like, whoa, what's that? Kate was down with us, and she came up with this one that we did. It's called Board Around the House. Just making fun of myself and making fun of the whole thing, but really passing the time. And the response that we've been getting is just amazing because, you know, a lot of people are stuck in their house with nothing to do and bored. And you start to read the comments and it's like, oh my God, so glad you're doing this. It brings me laughter during the day when I sit and watch it, and it's so gloom and doom, and we turn on this and we're having fun, we get a good laugh. It's so nice to see that, you know? When you get that kind of thing directly from a viewer, it makes you feel good. It really does. It makes you feel good. I think social is fun because you're having fun, you're making people laugh, but also now and then you give them a tip about how to do something. But I have to give credit to Kate. She stepped it up. From all the bad things that have come out of this pandemic, I mean, we're just closer than ever. It's been a terrible thing that we've gone through, and I just hope everybody stays safe, stays healthy, and we'll get through it.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.